Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today's video is going to be a new to me subscription box, and this is the Medusa's makeup subscription box. It's cruelty-free and vegan and retails for $18.95, my computer's right here, $18.95 a month, or a slightly discounted price from there on, depending on how long of an increment you dedicate to it. So 3 months, 6 months, a year, whatever, the price will go down accordingly. So I'm excited. I watched a lot of videos on Medusa's makeup before deciding to subscribe, and every month looked like it was something fun and new, and even if it's not something I'll personally wear, it looks like something a friend would like. So I figured, let's add another box to the rotation here on the channel, just because it's something I really enjoy doing, is filming videos, unboxing things. I enjoy getting something fun and new every month, so let's get to it. So we have this really cute purpley pink box here with like a faux glitter print and their logo. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. And the first thing inside is this flyer right here. Says December 2020 cruelty-free and vegan beauty box, proudly independent and female founded. Ho ho ho. Hello beautiful, thanks for hanging with us in 2020. We're gonna make 2021 a blast. Hope to see you on the other side. XOXO. Happy holidays, Team Medusa. And then on the back of the card here, you know, if it wanted to focus, there is a brief description of each of the items provided, and it looks like we're getting 5 items in this box. So the first item is the Halo Glow Face Stick, and the card says, new product alert, Halo Glow in the color Astro. Keep your cheeks glowing all day long with this flirty highlighter with Astro Green Hues Face Balm. Take it with you for a touch-up of moisture on the go. This says this retails for $16. Let's go ahead and open this up if I can get it open. I may have to cut away and cut back for this. I have a terrible time opening packaging. Okay, I got the packaging off. Let's go ahead and open it up. So inside the lid you have another little sealer lid. I like that. And there is kind of a green iridescence to it that I'm not sure you're going to be able to see on camera. Let me swatch and see if a swatch will more accurately portray it. Nope, I don't think you're, well, maybe you can kind of see it right there. Yeah, there you go. That's a good representation. You can sort of see the green in there. It's really pretty. I don't know how exactly you would use this to touch up on the go. I'm gonna have to read up on the website and see how they recommend using this, because to me this seems super shimmery to be using it as some sort of rehydrating or touch-up product, unless they mean literally just adding more highlight to your face on the go, which sounds strange. But yeah, I'm interested in seeing what the actual purpose of this is, and checking that out on the website to learn a little more. Next item, looks like we've got a brush here. Let's open that up. It is, I guess, an angled brush. Looks a little thick for liner for me, but it has a really cute glitter handle, and then like a lavender ferrule. And this is the Glitter Angle Glitter Angle eyeliner brush. This synthetic brush can be used on all powder products as well as any liquid or cream applications. Works great with Eyeliner Seal and Eye Dust, which I believe are 2 other products that we're going to be getting in this box. It says this retails for $6. It's really soft. For me, this is a little thick for a liner, unless you're doing a thick liner, but I do like the brush itself. So then the product it mentions in there is the Eyeliner Seal. Here's what it is. It's just a clear liquid. turns eye dust and eyeshadows into eyeliner or paint. So a nice moistening product. Yeah, very short ingredient list, so probably just make sure that it moistens but also allows the product to dry down nicely. And then we have the eye dust, which has been mentioned a couple times now. This is the Medusa's Makeup eye dust in the color Dirty. I've gotten an eye dust in a different subscription box before. It was a really pretty orange. Let me see if I can find it. Sorry, these drawers are very screechy. But yeah, it was in the color Pennywise. So you can see it's a really pretty copper, and I really like this one. My phone is ringing, but anyway, I'm back. So as I was saying, I really like the Pennywise color. So this Dirty color, let's take the seal off and see if we can check it out. I don't know how to get the seal off. It's like a little sticker over the holes. Okay, I got the sticker off, so I'm just gonna swatch some of this powder, rub it on the back of my hand. It's kind of hard to do. There we go. So here is the color. This is an awful swatch, but it looks kind of like a medium chocolate brown in this lighting anyway. So yeah, sorry that swatch is awful, but it's kind of hard to get the powder out of this with a finger. Yeah, it looks like there may be like a reddish undertone, but it's not overly strong, and I don't think you're gonna see it in the swatch either. It looks fairly neutral in the swatch. So the description for the mineral eye dust in the color Dirty is that this is an all-natural mineral eye dust, is by far the best in the industry. It glides on the skin like silk and wears all day long. Retails for $9. And this was $6. I don't remember if I said that or not. Yes. And then the last product in the box is a lipstick. This is the vegan lipstick in the color Baroque. Retails for $14. This bright and beautiful lipstick is a luxurious blend of natural vegan waxes, color-rich pigment, creamy, soft, and nourishing. Can be applied to lips or face. So that's kind of cool. Let's open this up. Well, here's the packaging. It's really pretty. There we go. Gorgeous packaging. And let's open it up and take a look at the lipstick. The tube itself has the Medusa's Makeup logo on it in shiny gold. It is a square plastic black tube. And then the color looks to be like a purpley tone with a blue iridescence. Yeah. That's really pretty. Really pretty color. The iridescence doesn't seem to be overwhelming on camera, but it is pretty strong in person. Really pretty. Let's see if I can get the right angle with the light coming in the window for you to see the iridescence. I don't know if you're gonna see it. This kind of reminds me of, this is an old, focus, hello. There we go. This reminds me of this old lipstick from MAC, Petals and Peacocks. Yeah, I guess they're sort of similar. The Baroque color is definitely deeper and purplier. Yeah. That is a really pretty color. As with all lipsticks, I like to give it a test run once or twice before I've decided if it's really for me. I have to see the color on. I can't just look at it and know. I know some people are just good at that. I'm not. I like to see it on and give it a try before I make a decision on it. But overall, this is a really fun box. I think it's super cool. I love that this is more of a neutrally color. I thought it would be kind of purpley, but it didn't end up looking purple on my skin. It looks very brown, but I'm kind of glad it's more of a neutral than a purple. And this lipstick is really pretty. I have to give it a few test rides. Maybe you'll see it in the next video, but I think it'll be a fun color. This is a really cool product. It definitely would make it so that you didn't need to buy liner anytime soon if you've got a good wealth of dark colors. The brush, really nice. I don't know if I would use it as a liner, but I'll probably test it out that way. And then this product, what is it called again? The Halo Glow. Very interesting. Gotta play with that and see how that works. But yeah, overall, a really fun, vegan, cruelty-free makeup box. I think we need more of them. I think all makeup boxes should be vegan and cruelty-free personally. Just my thoughts. Sorry if you can hear my email coming in the back. But anyway, if you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. And if you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. I will link to this company down below. I am super interested in what you thought about this. This is a newer box to me. It's not one I'd really ever heard of, so it is fun to try new things. And yeah, I'll link to anything I'm wearing if it's available, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!